Hi, Eve. Do you like gardening?
Yes, Nancy, I love it.
What do you enjoy most about it?
I love seeing the plants grow.
That's wonderful. What are you growing currently?
I'm growing tomatoes and cucumbers.
Sounds great. Do you use any special fertilizer?
I use organic compost.
That's a good choice. How often do you water them?
I water them every morning.
Do you have any issues with pests?
Sometimes, but I use natural repellents.
That's smart. Have you tried growing flowers?
Yes, I have a rose garden.
Roses are beautiful. Do they require a lot of care?
They do, but it's worth it.
I bet. Do you prune them regularly?
Yes, it helps them grow better.
I might try that. Any tips for beginners?
Start small and learn as you go.
That's good advice. What's the best season to start?
Spring is usually the best.
I'll keep that in mind. Do you grow herbs too?
Yes, I have a small herb garden.
That's handy. What's your favorite herb to grow?
I love growing basil.
Basil is great. Do you use it in your cooking?
Yes, it adds a fresh flavor.
I can imagine. Gardening sounds fun.
It is. You should try it.
I think I will. Thanks for the advice, Eve.
You're welcome, Nancy. Happy gardening.